Hello, this is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com, and you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Today I want to show you a really cool Western Electric 554 rotary wall telephone, and this is Kate's equipment from MD, and this is the initial checkout of this really cool telephone. Now we have a note with this unit, and Kate wants a dial center card installed with her last name on the card. So we'll take care of that issue. We also want to install a modular line port on the inside of this telephone so that when you install this unit, you can simply bring in any length line cord, any color that you choose, plug right into the modular line port, makes for a simple, easy plug and play connection. Now we're going to be going through the rotary. We want to clean, oil, and adjust the rotary. We want to take a look at the hook switch. We want to go through the network. We want to make sure that this unit is wired properly. We also want to make sure that all the connections are proper and that they're tight. We're going to go through the handset cord, the transmit, the receive, so we will be going through the entire telephone while it's in the shop. We have a lot of work that needs to be done. We want to get a start on this unit. We'll go ahead and take some still pictures of this really cool telephone, and we'll come back and get some more video as we move forward in the troubleshooting and repairing process. We'll take a short break and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back now, and we are finished up with a repair of this really cool Western Electric 554 rotary wall telephone, and we're ready to start our final checkout. We also want to mention that we have an amplifier connected to the telephone at the network, and I have an open amplifier back by the video. It has a button on it. When I press the button, I can give dial tone or take it away at any time. And since it's an open amplifier, it is prone to any static interference or noise in the atmosphere. I'm going to go ahead and press the button. You may hear a little bit of an electrical hum. I'll release it, press it one more time, and release it. So if you hear any noise during the final checkout, it will be coming from the amplifier and not the telephone. Now what we want to do is use the analyzer and send a ring cycle like you were getting a call, so we'll start that. We'll let that go a few times. We want to go ahead and turn our switch off. As you can see, the analyzer will send a ring cycle when you see that light. We'll let that go one more time and we'll turn the switch back on. We'll let it go one more time and we'll give you some dial tone. We want to walk through our numbers. If you watch the analyzer, you'll watch the numbers roll by. We have a nice smooth return on our rotary now. I'm going to end in a 2. Now I want to transmit into the handset. If you watch that red light on the analyzer, every time you see that red light light up, that's an indication of 100% modulation on transmit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hello, hello. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now we also want to mention that we installed a dial center card with Kate's last name on that dial center card. Now that we know that this unit is ringing in on a ring cycle, we're dialing out. We have transmit and receive. Our switch is working for our bell circuit to turn the bell on and off. We can go ahead and press this button on the switch box. That gives us a line out, totally takes the analyzer out of the situation, and we can call the time and temp number. We'll go ahead and give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call.
To hear the time and temperature, no need to press any buttons on your phone. Just stay on the line. Today is Thursday, November 29th. The current time, 10:55 a.m. and the temperature, 50 degrees.
We can go ahead and hang up. We can call one other number. We'll call my number and it'll be busy. Give you some dial tone. And we'll make that call. Go ahead and hang our handset up. Now that we know that this really cool Western Electric 554 rotary wall telephone has been repaired and converted, we can return it to Kate and she can enjoy this really cool telephone. I'm sure it's going to look great no matter where it's installed. This is Dennis with A1 Telephone Service and Repair, A1 Electronics. You can reach us on the web at www.a1-telephone.com. And you can also reach us at 618-235-6959. Thank you for watching and have a great day.